Good afternoon. Welcome in. Hello. How's everybody doing? It is your boy. It is Friday. This is the Swag Show coming at you live 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday, trading the futures market right now. This is ES Big Bang, one of the premium algorithms brought to you by BoldBot. If you want more information, just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. If you want access to the box seats algorithms for $250 for the first 2 weeks, $1,000 a month after that, email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com. I'll get back with you quick, fast, in a hurry. Let's get into it. Logan, welcome in. Shane, Iki, Bray, Nicholas, Ivan, Mind, what up? Happy Friday. Can Spam, what's happening? Day 2 on the 50K PAs. Made like 140 to 160 on both of those. So we're up $350 in 2 days, I think, somewhere around there, which is okay. Robert, what's happening? Good afternoon. How's everybody doing? It's Fish Fry Freaky Fast Fun Friday. Say that 5 times fast. Burberry, welcome in. Perfect Doji. I don't normally trade ES, but I like it. This Big Bang's green $12,000 on the year so far. So, what up, Kyle? Need an alert today. Down bad. Silver, gold, NQ early. Oh man, did you not run later and new? Oh, I'm going to a fish fry tonight for sure. I just gave an alert out not too long ago. It ran like 25 points or 20 points. I said go short from 31, 531. You can still go short, but be careful because on a 15-minute, it looks like it's holding above this 20 level. This could be all the downward movement that it's going to have for the day, and this could be the reversal, and it's going to buy back most of this move from this morning and go all the way back up to like 19,720. Just saying. So be careful. I can't alert a short when I feel like it's going to trend back down, I can't alert a short when I feel like this could be the reversal and it's going to go back up. I just don't want to do that to people. I don't feel confident. If you wanted a tight scalp, you could play the long or the short off of 30, 31. But right now it's just going to consolidate. So doing a bunch of consolidating probably for the next hour. Who knows? Big Redson, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. If you haven't followed me on the purple app, please do so. Hello over on the purple app. Hello on YouTube. Hello on TikTok. What's everybody up to this Friday? Anybody doing anything fun? Oh, I'm going to go to the fish fry. Down at the local parish, you know, do me a fish fry on Fridays during Lent. $475 on his ES Big Bang. We got Oracle Silver and gas. Oracle gas and Oracle Silver. Those are the only two things. Work. Okay, Robert. When you get off work, what are you doing? Then you're going to go to a fish fry when you get off work? Work's overrated, man. I got a job interview this afternoon. I don't really know if I am too excited about it. Unless they're going to pay me like what I want paid. And I don't know if I even want the job, honestly. But you never know. Might have to take it if they offer it to me for a couple months to get back on my feet. See how I like it. See how things go. But I'm having too much fun. Not working. Just trading. Coming on here for an hour with you guys. Trying to get people signed up for the algorithms. Oh, man. NQ early took a loss. Gold took a loss. Silver took a loss. But NQ new took a win. NQ later took a win. ES new took a win. So, I'm not going to like it. Probably not. It all depends. It sounds like kind of like the job I had when I was at Comcast, except it's more just troubleshooting IT stuff at businesses. So, I don't know. It might be easy. It might be boring. Start a GoFundMe in Slack. Yeah. GoFundMe for Kyle so he doesn't have to go to work anymore. Maria, thank you for the heart. Appreciate you. Thank you so much for that. How are you today? Start a GoFundMe in Slack. Yeah. Kyle needs $5,000 a month so he doesn't have to go to work. You think somebody would give me that? So I could just come on here and be silly and entertain you folks? I could fund my cash account again. Hello, is it me you're looking for? Big drop now. I guess I could have alerted the short. I thought it was going to reverse, but nope. It proved me wrong. Back down we go. Could have shorted from 9:30 or 19,530. But it was just tricky. I thought it was going to reverse, but it just consolidated, and now it looks like it's moving back down. So if it can break below the 19,485, we will continue on down. 19,485 was the previous low on the 15-minute. If it can get below that, look out below. Get it? No? Okay, never mind. I don't either. What's the target, though? There is no target on ES. On NQ, I would be looking to go down, probably to peel off some at like 410. If you got in a short right now, maybe 420-ish. Depends on how many contracts and stuff you put on it. But here we go, folks. Drop it to drop. Drop it like it's hot. Sell that sell button. Make your money. Be done for the day. What is all of this nonsense? All right, there we go. Big Bang, though, it does not have a target. It just can go and go and go and go. Doing good. Thank you. Enjoying my last days working from home. Oh, no. You make trading, if not more. Yeah, I mean, if I have to go back to work to a full-time job, they're going to have to pay me more than I can make trading on a small scale to make it worth my while, and offer me all the insurance and all that nonsense and 401k, and it has to be an easy job. Like, I don't want to go work at a stressful job, you know? So we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know next week. I'll let you know on Monday how I think it went, or if they just offer me the job on the spot, or if they just don't say nothing. Maria, stop with the lightning bolts. You're shocking me, girl. I appreciate you. I appreciate all those lightning bolts and gifts, Maria. You don't have to do that. But yeah, I mean, guys, like I said, $200 a day is $4,000 a month, right? That'll pay all of my bills. It won't leave me a bunch of money left after that, but we got to start slow. Once this bankruptcy thing goes through, I'll be okay. Then I can be between 200 and 600 a day, and I'll be all right. Today I was super conservative. I stopped at like 160 profit, 140 profit on the day, and I just shut it down because earlier this morning those wicks were getting pretty crazy, pretty big moves earlier at the open. They were all stressful. Yeah, the last one I had wasn't stressful. It just didn't pay me enough. Bills, welcome to the Swaginator. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Can spam, you'll pitch in. All right. The last one I had at the hospital, that was not bad at all. It just didn't pay me enough to make a living, honestly. So now, if I was debt free, yeah, it was probably good money, and I probably could have been okay there. But when I sit here and I can trade and make $200 a day on each account, just clicking a button and, be done in an hour usually, why wouldn't I want to do that? Except, yeah, I don't have like the benefits of health insurance or any of that stuff, but, that's what the state's for, right? Just a joke. Riddler, welcome in. Bills, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Let's see. Can we alert anything, or is it just hanging around? It's just kind of hanging around. I mean, if we wanted to get aggressive, we could kind of wait for a pullback to like 500, but maybe even 498. But I'm not gonna alert it in a group, but I'm just saying it could pull back up there. 498 would be a good one. But anyway, I hope everybody made some money today. Was a little crazy. Nothing else in a trade right now except this Big Bang ES trade. Green 825, sorry. $900. This is one of the premium algorithms. It is $1,500 a month. If you want more information, email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. $900 on one trade just paid for half of your monthly subscription. And Big Bang ES is green $12,000 on the year, so that's like $4,000 a month just from this one strategy. Oracle Silver's the other one that's green. ES New is green 15,000 on the year. NQ News green 9,000. Box Seat Silver is green 5,000 even after the loss today. Um, ES London Waves is green 3,000. NQ Day Waves green 7,000. So yeah. What's NQ later? NQ later is actually down for the year, but that might be the old algorithm. But NQ News green big time, and so is Silver and ES New. So $1,000 there. It just popped $1,000. Hey Monique, welcome in. Good afternoon. How you doing? Do 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 do. I just want somebody to go over on the Purple app and tell me what it looks like, if it's okay or if it's buffering or what, or on YouTube. It's Tony Capital. It's Tony Capital. Welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Jason G, welcome in. Albert, welcome in. Great. Hope you're doing well. Yes, I'm doing fantastic. I just took a little bit of profit today, about 140 to 160 on my 2 PA Apex accounts. So I just called it a day. Fridays are usually my nemesis. And after the morning, the way it opened, man, those wicks were big wicks. A lot of movement, volatility. I was really careful moving my stop loss really tight. But yeah, then it just dropped. And if you got short and held it from the open, man, you're up a lot of money. I'm hungry, but I'm not going to probably eat until dinner tonight. I'm going to go to the fish fry with my boys and my mom and maybe my sister and brother-in-law. I don't know if they're going. I hope they do. I'll be here with you guys for at least 40 minutes more. Just hanging out, talking about the algorithm, whatever else you guys want to talk about. The premium alerts today, see how green they are. 20 points, 60 points, so that's 80 points. 80 points worth of profit at the high water mark today on the premium alerts, which only cost $100 for the first week and then $500 a month after that. So if you want those premium alerts, email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Let them know you want the premium alerts, that you heard it on the swag show. If you would up over like $11,000 in the 3 weeks. $11,000 on the premium alerts in 3 weeks. That's pretty crazy. What's everybody doing this weekend? What's the plans? You watching basketball? The NCAA tournament? Hey, David, what's happening? How you doing? Good afternoon. Welcome to the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. Sam Main Riders, welcome in. How much it costs to rent the bot? So the box seats algorithms are $250 for the first 2 weeks, and then $1,000 a month after that. The premium algorithms, like the one you're watching right now, Big Bang, is $1,500 a month. We also offer premium manual alerts that are up $11,000 in the past 3 weeks. Those are $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. We also offer a digital mentorship if you want to learn how to manually trade. Lauren offers that. Gets you access to the student group, the morning Zoom call, the student play of the day, the proprietary chop zone, and some other key levels that she gives out in the student section. No, not Santa. I wouldn't recommend Santa at all to anybody right now. I do recommend the box seats. They are doing well. ES new box seats green $15,000 on the year. NQ new is green $9,000 on the year. Silver and box seats is green $5,000 on the year, and NQ early is green $1,000 on the year. It just started though, NQ early. So, but the premium algorithms, the day waves, NQ day waves is green $7,000 on the year. ES London was green $3,000 on the year. Big Bang ES, what you're watching right now, is green $13,000 on the year. So it all depends on which ones you want to run, how big your account sizes are, and what your risk tolerance is. So if you want to start out with just the box seats algorithm, email me boldbotinfo@gmail.com. I can get you the $250 for the first 2-week price, and then $500 a month after that. Or sorry, $1,000 a month after that. Has NQ new lost yet? Yeah, just 3 times though. I think 3 times all year. Maybe 4, but like I said, I think those were on holidays or on a Monday, and we don't run it on a Monday anyway, so it's not technically even a loss, but because I think that's a no Monday play anyway.